Lang. Look. Aso na si listen the kuan music.
Walk lunch. So this is where their aunties bring the kids.
Oh, lives?
Very
In a
nice.
video game or in real life? You only get one life. Once you die, you're dead.
Lucky kiddos. Uban-uban silang auntie o angko.
I don't
For
know.
Daxton'S birthday.
At least 5.
Here sila. Si Matias.
Oh, my tummy hurts.
This is where they stay tonight. Okay. Wow. Super fancy. Oh, it's big room in the eye. Just
That one? Okay, Matthias, you can one across.
Where did he pick?
See, pick right here.
Oh,
Nice.
oh very nice. Ang bid, no?
Next to you.
Nag-ano ko na rin. Hala, nag-sleep na right away. Cheese. Cheese, Daxton. Very nice.
Okay. So it'll unlock the door for you.
Oh!
Tell me the power.
That's where Matias ko ano.
No power.
Matias bed. Daxton in here and Ezekiel.
Okay, how does that feel?
Yeah. Look, show me your bracelet na be. Uy!
Hold on.
Like a person.
Daddy. Nice day in here. Just close the door. Okay. Let's see the magic.
Make sure it's on the bear paw. Okay, now try it.
Ooh! You think it's like, ooh, there's a power in this thing. Magic, Ezekiel, magic.
Okay.
So we got the lowest
Lang
level.
ko an. Nice. Ako na ang room to. Mas kindili ko magstay. Oh.
No, that's a.
Excited na sila. Oh. Excited.
You've done it once.
Stuff, too. They're so
Yeah. Top. Yeah. Upside down. Nope, that one.
Wow, there's a lot of things. Naghan kay sila una na sulod ang mga tentasyon para sa mga bata. Oh.
Whatever we call this stuff.
Na sila mga gifts. Oh look, you got your wolf ears. Yay. Let's see. Whoa, Ezekiel.
Don't have gone to the green spot. It is terrifying. That's the dangerous bucket.
No, it just dumps water on you. You don't go in the bucket.
Very nice.
That would be dangerous.
If you want, I can maybe toss you into the bucket.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Mystery. Oh.
Which maybe they would like to.
Beautiful sunset.
You can't remake. Once it's broken, it's going to be a small piece. You never build it back. That's what it was.
Take the next left to stay on North.
So handsome.
Here, you want to take a picture with all the
Yeah.
so far? There. Right there.
Daxton, smile. Say cheese here, Matias.
Get a picture of all
Still You're included in
Okay, anyone that wants to be part. 1, 2, 3. You want to Okay.
Okay.
See how long I can my head.
Oh man, I'll be up at like 7:30 to get a sleepover downstairs.
Physically demanding aggravated. Now let's take a detailed look at your Lasertron Best in phaser features. The Best has 4 sensor areas where you can be tagged and where you
Which number you want to leave?
Mode, a lot more ammo, a lot more lives, get to tag players quicker. Alright?
He's gonna make yours red.
You will actually hang on. Now, just gotta make sure we're staying safe. Please do not run. Remember, do not want to get.
Oh, they have an old lady on their team, right?
Hello?
Let's go for her.
Hoy!
As much as you
We're
can.
targeting. It's like
That's
we're
my mom.
number 2 now.
Hello?
We're going to Mr. 2.
Target her as much as you can.
Uncle Jenny, Uncle Glenn, Uncle Jenny. That's starting to be funny. He said, why? Why? Yeah.
That's awesome. I know that. My pants kind of
I think I'm the tallest kid right
Especially your
That
head.
was my hat line.
Yeah.
I just take it off. Nope.
Maybe I can sneak up behind people and laugh.
Just wear it like this. Is that better?
Yeah. But then people will just be able to sneak attack you.
You don't even win. They do that.
Hello?
Do it.
Whoa! They're ready now to win. Daxton team. Let's do this. Look at this. Come on, Elliot. Come on, Elliot.
I don't like that.
Alright, guys, as I said again, whenever you run out of your shots of lives, you'll come right back here. In every single game.
Matthias, come here. Hitting me. Right there. Ah, not me. Oh, naibala. Okay. Who win? Green team! Woohoo! Victory dance! Woohoo! That's funny.
Yeah, good job.
Woohoo! We win! So second round na may second round. Sweetie kasi manang. The other team is right here.
I wasn't listening. You listened very well.
Matthias, go like this. And Elliot, go like this. Like this. Look.
Don't admit.
How about the old
Hi. Yours? Intense na intense. Here's the birthday boy. We win! Woo!
Y'all, we're gonna change sides.
Yeah, switch side me. So, kami last time, dali na po me. I thought just twice, lab.
I think 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah.
So this is the last game?
We're doing it all.
Yeah. Switch side. There's the other team.
We're going to take a break.
Okay, take a break.
A water break.
I know, because she keeps killing me. We take a break. Yeah. Oh, stress ball. Nagstay sa kahir ka grandma ha. Oh, that's stamp. Yeah.
And these glow in the dark.
Oh, oh, there's Nicholas. Oy. Yep. Oh. Woo. Huh?
30
That's
seconds
cute.
left.
Crazy boys. Oh gosh.
It's a little light.
Kung dito, pagsing dito ka, Daxton ka.
That's he wants every time.
Oy, na-cheat pa man ay. Wow.
Hold it.
Ha? Yummy cake.
It's an LED mask.
Where's the Zico? Okay, come on.
Okay. Daxton, could you say thank you to say goodbye to the
You're welcome.
Oh, Daxton, could it be?
Oh, that's awesome. So it's a Lego.
Round and round.
That's amazing.
Cool.
Oh no, we'll find it. Turn it around. That's beautiful.
Super cool.
Evelyn. Good
Yeah.
job.
Good job, Evelyn.
Oh,
A show.
that's perfect.
That was cool. Take cupcake. Yeah! Ay! Banat! Sorry. Wow! Matias, very hungry. Wild man. Ay, nako Matias.
Try to get that wet.
Yeah, you're right here.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.